I look so tired, don't I?
저기 옷 따뜻하게 저기 있지? 바람이 좀 불어서 이따 추울 것 같은데.
완전 겨울옷 가져왔어. I quickly got the mail I put at home, and right now I am heading to Lido Island again to see the sunset. Did make a reservation beforehand because it's, you know, a lot of people go, so just in case. Yeah, it's just gonna be like 2 hours, 3 to 5. I think there right now. I will do my OOTD since I didn't get to do them. So today I'm wearing my 47 I don't know what they call it, hat. Let's see. Hat here. It's the 47 brand. Yeah. The black on black Yankee, New York Yankees, and I'm wearing COS t-shirt. This is a men t-shirt that I really like. I have in every color, I think. This is in medium black, the mask, and Gentle Monster sunglasses. Again, they're so comfortable. My watch from WC, and on the bottom, ooh, my hair, track pants from Suzemin. This is from Korea, so just you know, regular like those trainers that you can get anywhere these days. I think they sell these like almost same ones in Aritzia, and they're about like $80. But these are, I think, like just $40. It was a set, like front, like there's a top too. Anyways, and the boots are so cute. They're the Bottega shoes. They're size 7. And my cassette bag. Another gray hat, but it's always in here in the car, so I just put it in the back. We're on Duffy. So good, the water and the
change.
It's a coconut hut.
My love.
Thank you for watching my vlog, and if you like, please subscribe and press like and thumbs up, and I'll see you guys soon next week on Friday. Bye.